So this might be one of the craziest experiences I've had. Today we're stepping into TeamLab Planets. Not borderless, but planets. As you see, we're approaching on the train right here. It's an art museum or art installment where the art is pretty unreal. So I have a low light camera that can catch a lot of things that normal camera can't catch. So I can show you the full experience from beginning to end, what to expect from going to one of these. It's a must go if you're traveling to Tokyo or Japan. Unlike any other experience, you have to make an appointment, basically a ticket. We were 30 minutes late. So yeah, I'm bringing you along for the full experience, what it actually feels like, see whether it's really worth the hype. Available. Big titty shot. He got that dog in him.
Is this one?
Yeah. Different city, same dog. We gotta run, we're late. We gotta run. Marathon preview. Got our tickets, go in. Oh.
Do we hop the fence?
Ticket, do I?
We're gonna go to the next section, so please hold on to this.
Oh,
It's also like 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay.
10 minutes?
Alright, we're starting, baby. Athletic course. Floors, uneven floors.
Required to use the rental shoes.
There's lockers everywhere. Oh, because you have to like be barefoot. Is that what it is? So you have to grab your shoes. Ah, that's pretty cool. On that slide. Oh.
Yeah, videos inside. Okay.
I don't think That's very fun.
Can you physically balance? I'm gonna go purple.
Three.
Okay.
You can go first.
Go straight. And then you can go.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Ooh.
Wait, am I supposed to hop this thing?
Yeah?
Am I supposed to hop here? No.
Wait, what if you fall? I feel like there's a very high chance. Wait, it's actually really hard when you get up higher.
It sounds like it's breaking.
What the hell? What the hell?
Look at me, don't look at each other.
Speedrun challenge. Smallest blocks.
Alright, let's do it. I have a bad knee, by the way.
Are you racing?
Yeah, speed run.
Oh, big. Can we go three at the same time? You want to go at the same time? Yeah. Okay, you guys go.
Yeah, you can go small, I'll go big.
Let's
Okay.
go this way.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, all set? Ready, Sean?
Okay.
Speed run. It feels like you're walking on water. Our speed run. There's not.
We made it. The small one's kind of hard there.
Yeah, well, it feels like you're actually walking on water, which is really cool. And
Yeah.
it's just like, it's just mirrors.
Excuse me, sir. This is art.
I'm stimming. I'm stimming.
How do you know you're even in?
Speed run.
It's speedrunning.
Which is pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, Don't twist your ankle.
This is kind of hard.
Pretty good. That's cool.
Oh, dude, the toes are out though. My grippers are freaking gripping over here, bro. For free?
We're about to get knees deep.
Don't feel my toes, guys.
Yo,
Bintai.
Hey, what do you do for free? I usually post this on Only Toes. Oh, bag too? Oh, okay.
Wait, Mike.
So they rent shorts or something?
Wait, my calves are too big. I can't roll it up.
You have to pull it up.
Yeah.
I thought I was the be inside.
Wait, my calves are actually too big. I can't roll it up.
Wait.
Hey. Oh, it's warm. It's a little bit cold. Backpacks.
Wait, that was it?
And there has to be more. I feel like that'd be kind of disappointing, but that was it. Oh wow.
Oh.
Is this like a foam thing? Like a bed?
It was very nice.
It's like a bed.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's like a bed. Can I jump down?
Have that photo on my
Yeah,
phone.
yeah.
Wait.
Oh wow. Dude, my calves are too big. I can't pull my pants up, so it's like stuck at where my calves are, and I'm
We have Asian Sam Sulek.
Yeah.
Because his calves are too big.
I'm knees deep. I'm tippy toeing. No, it is. Yeah. Is it? It's making me dizzy.
Lie down this way. Doesn't feel like you're.
Alright, so we are, I'll show you the map. We're Round 1 Stadium in, what does that say? Zoom City? I mean, we can go that way. Well, yeah, we're going over there. This is like, oh, there's a Tokyo sign. Such different vibes from what we used to. My first time out here, this is what the US is like. You know, nobody walking, a few people walking home late at night. It's 10:30 right now. Last train's at 11:55. We're gonna try to hit Round 1 for maybe an hour and then go home. So we got Diver City Tokyo Plaza. We're going to Round 1. 6, 7.
And Linda.
It's crazy because it's a big mall. Everything's closed though. Is this stuff free? We don't even know.
What would you like to drink?
Music,
Order the
dance,
karaoke.
shout. Yo, our kid goes crazy here. We're gonna get one thing. We gotta get at least a prize, right? There's all these cranes. I know the tactic. So many. Which one do we choose here? I have 100 yen. One try. Yeah, it's rigged. There's no way you can get it. It's not a skill issue here. Yo, this place is awesome. Go-karts. They got badminton. They got basketball. They got everything here. Alright, just finished the best night, Stadium 1 ever. They didn't have the bubble balls. They had roller skating and like a go-karting instead in that area, which is kind of disappointing. It was a blast. It was a one-time fee. I think it was like $12 per person for 90 minutes, which is the shortest amount of a lot of time that we could get. We have to catch the train back. The last train's in about 10 minutes. We're getting some sandos for the road, and we have to run to the train because the train is a 10-minute walk from here. And if we miss it, we either stay here the whole night or we Uber back. And that's like a $60 Uber, maybe a $100 Uber. So we have to go. I'm getting a sando. And this one, my favorite sando. There you go. Thank you. Thank you to buy. Thank you for buying for me.